And logarithms don't have to be positive numbers either. So let's look at, for example, first of all, here's an important example. Log in the base 10 of 1 is equal to what? So here we know that 10, so what we want to know is how many what do we need to have as that exponent here to have 10 to that power be equal to 1? And we know that any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So any number to the power 0 is 1. So log any number of 1 is equal to 0. So same thing for log in base 2 of 1 is equal to 2. Sorry, is equal to 0, silly me. Because 2 to the power 0 equals 1, etc. So there's the first thing you have to remember. Alright, so now let's look at some other examples. So for example, how about if we want log to the power, log in the base 10 of 0.01, what's that equal to? So in this case, we want to know how many tens to multiply to get to 0.01. So in this case, what we can do is we can change our 0.01 into, how about a fraction 1 over 100, which is the same as 1 over 10 times 10, which is the same as 10 to the power minus 2. And that should be familiar to you from previous lessons. Okay, so here our exponent is minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.01, and so the logarithm in base 10 of 0.01 is minus 2. And we're going to do another example like that. So how about log in base 2 of 1/8? So that's equal to something that we want to find out. So that's equivalent to saying that 2 to the power of that same something is equal to 1 over 8. And so here we want to know how many 2's to multiply to get to 1/8. And so 1/8 is equal to 1 over 2 times 2 times 2, which is the same as saying 2 to the power minus 3, because this is all in the bottom part of the fraction. And so here is our exponent, minus 3. And so the logarithm in base 2 of 1 over 8 is minus 3. Alright, so log in any base of 1 is 0. And yeah, we can have negative logarithms if this number is smaller than 1.